Welcome, curious minds. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey through time. Exploring two of nature's most fascinating creatures: the majestic elephant and the enigmatic hippocampus. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover their ancient origins, unique lives, and the surprising differences that set them apart. Let's begin with the gentle giants of our planet, the elephants. Their story stretches back an astonishing 50 million years. A lineage that traces its roots to ancient mammals that roamed the earth long before us. Imagine a world where these colossal beings first appeared, evolving from smaller, shrew-like ancestors. The earliest known elephant ancestors, like the Moratherium, were much smaller and lived in swampy environments. Over millennia, they adapted, growing in size and developing the iconic trunk and tusks we associate with them today. The breeding season for elephants is a remarkable affair, often tied to periods of abundant food and water. This ensures that newborns have the best chance of survival. Gestation periods are incredibly long, lasting around 22 months for African elephants, the longest of any land mammal. This extended pregnancy allows for the development of a highly complex and intelligent brain. Elephants are herbivores, with their diet consisting of a vast array of vegetation. Grasses, leaves, bark, roots, and fruits make up their daily meals. They are truly prodigious eaters, consuming hundreds of pounds of food each day. Their drinking habits are equally impressive. Elephants can drink up to 50 gallons of water in a single sitting, often using their trunks to draw water up and then spray it into their mouths. This constant need for sustenance and water shapes their migratory patterns, as they follow the availability of resources across vast landscapes. Now, let's shift our gaze to the ocean's hidden wonders, the seahorses. These captivating creatures, with their horse-like heads and prehensile tails, have a history that, while not as ancient as elephants, is still deeply rooted in the marine world. Seahorses belong to the genus Hippocampus, a name derived from Greek words meaning horse and sea monster. Their evolutionary journey is thought to have begun around 13 million years ago, a relatively recent chapter compared to elephants, but still a significant span of time that has allowed them to perfect their unique adaptations. The birthplace of the hippocampus is not a single geographical location but rather a gradual evolution within specific marine environments. Fossil evidence suggests their origins lie in the Indo-Pacific region, where they diversified and spread to other temperate and tropical waters around the globe. Their breeding season is also influenced by environmental cues, often coinciding with warmer waters and increased food availability. What truly sets seahorses apart is their reproductive process. Unlike most animals, it is the male seahorse that carries the eggs and gives birth to the young. The female deposits her eggs into a pouch on the male's abdomen, where he fertilizes and incubates them until they hatch. This unique parental care is a testament to the diverse strategies life employs for survival and propagation. Seahorses are carnivores, feeding on small crustaceans like plankton and tiny shrimp. They are ambush predators, using their long snouts to suck up their prey. They don't have stomachs, so they must eat frequently to survive, consuming up to 3,000 tiny organisms a day. Their feeding is a delicate dance, often involving patiently waiting for unsuspecting prey to swim by. They also require clean, oxygen-rich water and are sensitive to changes in their environment. The differences between African elephants and seahorses are, of course, vast, reflecting their entirely different evolutionary paths and habitats. African elephants, the largest land animals on Earth, are characterized by their immense size, thick gray skin, large ears, and powerful trunks. They are social animals, living in complex matriarchal herds, and their intelligence is renowned. Their adaptations are geared towards terrestrial life, enabling them to traverse savannas, forests, and deserts. Seahorses, on the other hand, are small, delicate marine fish, perfectly adapted to life in shallow, sheltered waters like seagrass beds and coral reefs. Their upright posture, fused jaws forming a snout, and ability to camouflage themselves are crucial for survival in their aquatic world. Their social structures are less complex than elephants, and their reproductive strategy is a defining characteristic. Comparing them highlights the incredible diversity of life on our planet. From the land-dwelling giants who have roamed for millennia to the tiny, fascinating seahorses navigating the ocean's depths. Each species has a unique story of survival, adaptation, and evolution. It's truly awe-inspiring to consider the ancient origins and distinct journeys of these creatures. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of elephants and seahorses. I hope you've gained a new appreciation for the wonders of the natural world. If you enjoyed this journey, please consider following for more fascinating insights into the animal kingdom and beyond.